Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, I want to combine fraction with integer. You can see in my screen, I have two questions. 1 over 2 of 10 is, and 2 over 3 of 12 is. My answer here is 5, and my answer here is 8. The most important question is why we have this answer. You can see these sentences. You have 1 over 2 of 10. So what does that mean of? When you can see these sentences, you can make this operation, multiply. 1 over 2 of 10 is mean 1 over 2 times 10. And how about this one? You got 2 over 3 of 12 is mean 2 over 3 multiplied by 12. More important, how can I make multiplication of fraction and integer? The first step, I will change this fraction, this integer become two fraction. 10 is mean 10 divided by 1. 10 divided by 1 or 10 divided by 1 by this writing also equal to 10. So I don't want to write down 10 because 10 have non-fractional form. So I will change 10 become to 10 over 1. This one is fractional form. After that, I make multiplication. In multiplication of fraction is quite easy. You got numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. It means 1 times 10 and 2 times 1. After that, you got 10 in here and 2 in here. How about 10 divided by 2? 10 divided by 2 is mean 10 divided by 2 like this, and after that I've got 5. So that's why my answer here is 5. The same action for this fraction. You got 2 over 3 multiply 12. I will change from non-fractional form become to fractional form. 12 equal to 12 over 1, and this is multiplication of division. So 2 times 12 here, and then 3 times 1. After that, I've got 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is mean this writing, and then you have 8 in my final answer. That is the way how can I find the two answer in here. That is the first example. So what is next example? Next second example, you got 4 over 5 of 35 is, and 7 over 9 of 80 is. Okay, so another form of this question, you can see now, the question will give you h in here. H is unknown number, so the tag will tell you finding the value of x. So here is x, and the question asks you about finding the value of x like this. Yeah, okay. I want to find x. Here is the way how can you show your working out for this question. X have to be equal to this writing, 4 over 5 of 35. And can see the of here is mean multiplication. It mean multiplication. 4 over 5 will multiply 35. And 4 over 5 multiply 35 over 1. After that, you got here is 140 and divide by 5. 140 divided by 5, you can make divide by yourself. And then you got here is 2 and here is 8. So 28 is my final answer. I will write down 28 here is my final answer. And the next one, you got 7 over 9 of 18 is mean multiplication. Multiply by this. And then you make it multiply by 18 and 9 multiply by 1. 126 divided by 9. 126 divided by 9, you got 1 here and remainder 3. 6 divided by 9, you got 4. So my final answer for this question is 40. The most important of this one is the form of the question. Fraction of something. Fraction of something is mean 4 over 5 of another integer number. So this is the way how can you find that. You have to remember very basic keyword in this action is this word will tell you about the operation multiplication. That's it. It's very not too difficult. And a little bit complicated. How about 1 over 2 of 3 over 5 is x. And the question will ask you about 5x. So how can you work with this one? Remember, of mean multiply. You have 1 over 2 multiply 3 over 5. And after that, multiply by numerator and multiply by denominator. you got 1 times 3 over 2 times 5. And then you got 3 over 10. So my final answer for this question is 3 over 10. And this question action with question act with fraction after of what? So the next one I'm got here is 4 over 9 of 27. And you have the same action, right? The question also give you finding x. Okay, so 4 over 9 of 27 is mean multiply 27 in here. And 4 times 27 over 9 times 1, it have to be equal to this one is 8. Remember 4, so 108. And here you divide by 9. 10 divided by 9, you got 1. 18 divided by 9, you got 2. So 12 is my final answer for this question. Okay, that is the meaning of this writing. Multiplication. Very important. Very important. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. And see you next time with harder question. See you next time. Bye bye.